SoundCloud.com.
Next is question number 15 from exercise 6.3. Question number 15 from exercise 6.3. It says statement sum. We have to find the height of a tower using similarity criterion. The question is, a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. We have to find the height of the tower using similarity, the property of similarity. The question is, a vertical pole of length 6 meter, length of pole. Length of pole is equal to 6 meter. Length of shadow. Length of shadow is equal to 4 meter. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow. Length of shadow of tower is equal to 28 meter. 28 meter. We have to find the length of tower. Length of tower we have to find. Draw a figure. Naming it as A, B, C, and this is PQ. Let AB be the tower and PQ be the pole. This is the tower and this is the pole. Let AB be the tower. AB be the tower and BC is the shadow of the tower and BC is the shadow of the tower. Also let PQ be the pole. Also let PQ be the pole and QC be the length of the shadow and QC be the length of its shadow. Now length of pole is 6 meter, given to be this as 6 meter and this to be 4 meter, and the length of the shadow of tower, that is total length of BC, is given to be 28. We have to find out the length of the tower AB. Now consider triangle ABC and PQC. Consider triangle ABC and triangle PQC and triangle PQC. Angle B, measure of angle B is equal to angle Q, because the pole and the tower are standing vertically on the ground. So angle B is equal to angle Q. Consider triangle ABC and PQC. In this, angle B is equal to angle Q because each is 90 degree. And angle ACB, measure of angle ACB is equal to PCQ, because angle ACB is equal to this angle, PCQ is also equal to this angle, the same angle though. So the reason is common angle. Common angle. Now triangle ABC is similar to PQC. Now we are getting, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQC. That means, first of all, we have to prove these two triangles ABC and PQC are similar. Then only we can apply the property of the ratio of the corresponding sides. The reason is A similarity criterion. By A A similarity criterion. A similarity criterion. Now, therefore, AB by PQ. Therefore, AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QC. BC by QC. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now giving the values, AB is not known, we have to find out the length of AB. So, AB by PQ is 6, which is equal to BC 28 by 4. AB by 6 is equal to, that is, AB by 6 is equal to 28 by 4 is equal to 7 by 1. Now cross multiply, we are getting AB is equal to, that is, AB is equal to 7 into 6, which is equal to 42. That is, height of the pole or length of the tower is equal to, length of the tower is equal to, that means length of the tower is equal to 42 meters. Hence, proved. We are obtaining the length of the tower as 42 meters. Okay.